A machinist would come here to pull tooling from a centralized location to reduce their downtime and setup. Pull tooling, set their tools, place them in a mobile cart that can go back to the work center. Another advantage of the new mill CNC is that it can hold up to 33 different pieces of tooling equipment versus a traditional one-pocket mill. Another benefit to centralizing the tooling area is to reduce the footprint of every machine operator so that it's easier and they are away from the machines less. Centralizing it also gives us the benefit of having point of use. So the operators are able to flex away from the machine during its runtime and perform setups. Another benefit for York Precision in our lean transformation journey has been the incorporation of newer CNC large capacity lathes with live tooling. One of our larger capacity lathes with single tool, more traditional capability is something that we're looking to enhance. So this is our new vertical hone. It's a CNC hone which allows us to program the amount of material we want to remove. The benefit beyond the safety of the employee is that it is also liquid cooled so that the part does not grow, eliminating any need for downtime prior to any metrology operations. Another advantage of the vertical hone that we have versus traditional horizontal honing is the enhanced safety features like the light curtains that you see, as well as the liquid cooled honing solution. As part of our lean journey, another thing that we've taken advantage of in all of our CNC machine work centers is tooling that enhances the amount of pieces that we can machine at one particular time. Traditionally, we used a single piece vise. Embracing tombstones now allow us to run 8 pieces simultaneously. Another part of our lean transformation is you'll see the culture shift along with it to embrace the lean methodologies. Here you'll see 2 colleagues working cross-functionally to improve processes. Lean transformation is a continuous process. Ultimately, it helps York Precision Machining and Hydraulics deliver our mission. We work together with excellence to deliver high-quality parts in spec and on time.